everybody, today you are going to learn how to take Christmas decorations, attach them to a piece of fabric, a scarf or belly dancing skirt to create a fun, easy, creative outfit for your next party or Christmas day. You will also see in the video different designs that were created by my belly dance students for their Christmas performance. If you like that, to click the like button. If you want to find out more about being creative, then click the subscribe button. Merry Christmas, everyone!